Good morning. This is our third day of settling in.
Chasing dreams we can't hide. Through the lens we paint our day. Life unfiltered, come what may. Click the play and feel the
Hindi pa tayo tapos dyan sa kusina. Good morning. This is our third day of settling in here in our house in Patna. And it's still a mess. We are trying. Pero sometimes nalilinis yung dining. Minsan nalilinis yung sala. Yung kwarto dito somehow okay na. Pero after some time, gugulo na naman kasi mag-a-unbox na naman kami ng isang box. But now, I'm going to try to clean up the kitchen. So, starting today, we can cook our own food. Because since we came here, we've been eating upstairs. So, ayaw namin ni Abhay na dahil dumating na kami dito, makaka-istorbo kami sa kanila. So, from today, we will try to cook our own meal dito na sa bahay. So, kailangan ko munang ayusin yung kusina.
wake up to the world so wide. Chasing dreams we can't hide. Through the lens we paint our day. Life unfiltered, come what may. Click the play and feel the vibe. Every moment come alive. JB's life, it's raw and real. Spin the truth with heart and steel. From the highs to quiet lows, every turn the story flows. Eyes wide open, no disguise, shining bright beneath the sky. Click the play and feel the vibe. Every moment come alive. JB's life, it's raw and real. Spin the truth with heart and steel. Lights are flashing, colors burst. In this ride we quench the thirst. No pause button, only go. Ride this wave and feel its glow. Click the play and feel the vibe. Every moment come alive. JB's life, it's raw and real. Spin the truth with heart and steel.
बर्तन वाला आने देना वो बुक बर्तन वाला अलग हो
ले लेंगे सब पीरियड लगा के ले लेंगे सब ले लेंगे
ना तो बर्तन बदला जाता है तो दूसरा बर्तन चाहिए कुकर और सब
तो रेट लगा देंगे चाची जो है का वो लगा
तो
ना ऐसा कोई क्या है
क्या है देखो अभी सब लेकर देखो इसमें का काम करते हैं
ठीक है दिखा देते जय सर
Yung mga hindi na namin gagamitin.
ये नॉन स्टील वाला है बताइए
एल्युमिनियम है
स्टील रहता है नॉन स्टील है नहीं स्टील वाला है
तो सब स्टील के चिप के भाव से बर्तन वाला में बिक रहा है
स्टील वाला नहीं लेगा आंटी बर्तन वाला
रहने दीजिए सब कुकर ये सब रहने दीजिए सब
तौल देते चाची जो है तौल देते हैं
तौल वो करिएगा तब गलत तौल दीजिएगा ना छोड़ दीजिए.
We did not sell this to the uncle because he's only paying 100 rupees.
So better we'll give it for free. Paper if it is for 100 rupees.
Mishka's raincoat. There's another buyer. Ha? Okay, bagong buyer. 200 yung kuha niya. Hey, mami! Hugya! 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 Yung kanina, 100 lang. 100 rupees yung kuha niya. Ito, 200. Hugya, mami? Hugya. They're changing the formation. Okay ba?
From here also will be putting straight. Hair partner will put the flower vase.
Almost there. Si Daddy yung majority na naglinis dito kasi ako nag-edit ng video. We're not going anywhere. I mean, we are almost there. Our house is getting clean. Our house is slowly becoming pretty now. What is that toy?
My dad bought it.
No, a tita sent that for you. Daddy is going to get our gas cylinder. We will apply for connection. Iiyak na naman. Gustong sumama. Daddy will come back. Daddy, you will come, then you will pick us up, okay? Whole day na kami naglilinis up ng bahay. Medyo nakakapagod lang, pero so far, may makikita ka ng kaginhawaan sa aming bahay. Dito sa living area, ito muna yung ginawa ni Abhi para dire-diretso daw yung galaw namin. Naka-straight lahat ng sofa. Pinapagkasya namin kanina, sabi niya ganito na muna para medyo maaliwalas tingnan. Malaki yung space namin dito. Tapos yung aming dining dyan, 'di ba? Parang ang laki ng space dito. Hindi pa tayo tapos dyan sa kusina. Pero at least malawak na yung aming pwedeng galawan, 'di ba? Dito muna kami sa taas naglalaba ng mga damit.
Please like our channel, subscribe.